Okay, so next I want to open up Microsoft Word, and all of your computers have a copy of it. So I have a question before we start. How do you open a Word document? Oops. How do you change the text size to 20 or larger? What key do you use to make capital letters? And tell me a few keys that have two characters. What key helps make the top character? Okay, so let me pause for a second, talk about that with someone, and I will give you the answer soon. Okay, how do you open a Word document? My computer's a little bit different from yours, but I will show you. So you click the Start menu, and then I'm going to hide this. Your computer doesn't have this. Here is all the apps. You go down, down, down to W, A, B, C, D, F, G, S, T, W, and there is Word. You click on Word, and it is open, and then click on Blank Document. Okay, there is your document, and yours will look a little bit different from mine because you're using an older version of Windows. I'm using 11. Okay, how do you change the text size to 20 or larger? So let me bring this back. Hello, my name is Robert. Okay, now the text size is 11. So I want to go here and go to, did I say 20? 20. Okay, now, hello. Name is Robert. Now it is 20. So you go over here and you click this thing. Okay. Also, I can highlight this. We'll talk about that later. Okay, so that's to make a bigger text. What do you use to make capital letters? What key do you use to make capital letters? That is Shift. Oops. Let me go out to the end of this, enter a couple of times. Capital Shift H, ELLO. Actually, no Shift here. My name is Shift R, OBERT. Okay. And what was the other question? It's something about other key. Tell me if a few keys that have two characters. What key helps make the top character? So let me look at here. So here's number 1. If I push Shift, it's exclamation point. 2, if I push Shift, it's at. 3, if I push Shift, it's the number. 4, if I push Shift, it's the $sign. So look at the top of your keyboard. You can see this 5%, 6, and I don't know the name of that one. Caret, I guess. 7 and ampersand. 8 and asterisk. 9 and parentheses, and 0 and parentheses. And here's a hyphen and a underscore and a plus and a equal sign. Look at this. And here's semicolon. I push Shift and it's colon. So yeah, a lot of these keys have different characters. Okay. I want you to pause the video, look at these sentences, and I want you to type them on your own using Microsoft Word. I showed you how to open it. You can go back and open it and use my instructions to open it, or you can ask me. I'll be walking around. The next thing I would like to talk about is the cursor. So look over here. That blinking thing right here is called the cursor, at the end of cursor. The cursor marks where your text will appear as you type. Yeah, so my text will appear after the cursor. Okay, and you can move the cursor with the mouse. I'm using the mouse to move the cursor. Or you can move it with the arrow keys. If you look down on your keyboard, I'm using the left key, the right key. Let me go left, 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 left. I push each time it moves 1, and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So after you type this, please play around, go back and forth with the arrow keys to get some practice.